Hey guys, it's Carly Avatar. Today I'm going to show you how to make these types of squishmallows at home. These are squishies that I'm going to make with paper and tape and scissors and cotton. You just need these things: tape, paper, scissors, and cotton. That's all you need. And some colors, you need some colors. So I'm making this, whatever. So I'm just tracing the thing I made. So we're just tracing it. Just watch me trace. I traced two of these, the same exact same thing. So now what I'm going to do is I'm gonna color it. Yeah, I'm just getting my colors. Let me just get my colors. Yes, so I've got the colors. Now I'm gonna color it in pink because purple is already made, and I'm making this for my friend. I made the purple one originally for my friend, but that looked so freaking cute, so I kept it, and now I'm making another one for her. So now, yeah, so this is the pink one I'm gonna make. So you just watch me. Now I'm just taping above the drawing that I made. Ignore my face getting in the frame. So that's the thing I made. I made them holding a heart because originally it was holding a strawberry, so I wanted it to hold a heart because I don't want to make a strawberry. So I made a heart on this pink one, which is red, and the purple one was golden heart. And now I'm taping the back side. You know, the back side, backside, 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 yeah, backside, backside. So I'm painting the, taping the backside now, and after that, I'm cutting. Enjoy the ASMR. I cut so fast. Wow. Literally 5 seconds were not over, and I cut it so fast. Just kidding. Now I'm ouch. Oh my. Ouch. Oh my god. Oh my freaking god. I got hurt. My god. Okay. So I'm not taping the side to the drawing, and then I realized that I put the wrong way. The tape should be outside, not inside. And then I fixed it and taped the sides again, all again. And then I will put my cotton all inside. I was in a hurry, so I put all in it at once because I was in a hurry. So yeah, you should probably take a big piece and you know, cut it from between, then put it again, then put it again. So yeah, whatever. You just put how you like the cotton inside, and the cotton is inside now. Common sense, yeah. And now I taped the last part, which is the last part. Just enjoy me taping it. Ready? I hope you guys enjoy.